Macadamia nut pesto. Living on a mac nut orchard, we've got to find creative ways to use all these nuts. The main ingredient in pesto, of course, is basil, then the mac nuts, garlic, parmesan, extra virgin olive oil, and coarse salt. It's only when the nuts have fallen from the tree that they're ready to harvest. Once you've picked and husked the nuts, you've got to let them dry for 4 to 8 weeks. Otherwise, when you crack it, it'll be all wet like a coconut. The first step in pesto is to crush the coarse salt with the garlic and the nuts to release all their oils. It's at that point the fresh, tender basil goes in. Traditional pesto is made using a mortar and pestle, but nowadays, if you don't have the time, a blender works well too. Mac nut pesto. Try it with tomatoes and mozzarella for some caprese crostini appetizers.